Hello, I'm back. Hopefully I'm live and streaming on the Kick service while recording locally, hopefully. This time around, not on my usual systems, MacBook Air 2012, MacBook Pro 2012 or Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD version, but instead I'm using PikaOS GNOME version because yesterday it was Waterloo by using Cosmic Desktop. I'm using this term loosely because it was unusable. But anyway, hopefully things go well now. Let me check the stream quickly. Okay, seemingly works, streaming and recording just fine. So yeah, let me open up the terminal so you can all see the system, specifications, etc. Let me zoom in a bit. So yeah, this is the system. It's PikaOS 4 as it says, on somewhat old Legion Pro 5 or Legion 5 Pro, AMD, but it has discrete GPU NVIDIA, the RTX 3070 mobile version, of course, Max-Q. It has 16 gigabytes of RAM and a terabyte of storage, SSD storage. So yeah, anything that I tried with this version of PikaOS, I'm talking about, of course, GNOME, which also runs on Wayland just like Cosmic tried to run, tried to be usable, but it wasn't. So far so good with GNOME. System seems responsive, fine. It recognized my keyboard speaker, for example. The keyboard lighting, the screen lighting, brightness, I mean lighting, not lighting, screen brightness, sorry. And everything works seemingly just fine. I haven't done too many changes in the system just yet. I will do eventually on my future streams and recordings that, as always, I will upload to my YouTube channel. What I did mostly, it was like install my favorite apps, the apps that I'm going to be using on this system until further notice. But I haven't installed any actually no, I have installed, now that I reminded myself. Actually, I have installed even extensions, but I haven't enabled and customized them, but I will do that in the future. I did very basic stuff like changing my keybinds, the ones that I prefer to have, changed the window controls like X, minimize, maximize, to be on the left side of the window, exactly like I prefer them to be. Yeah, basically I did the preparations in order to be able to show you in the future how to customize PikaOS GNOME to bend it to your will, to your likeness, exactly like I will be doing. One other thing that I changed, of course, and forgot to mention, it's FIS cell and fast fetch. I have made, instead of bus, FIS to be my preferred cell, and of course to have a fast fetch start every time that a new tab or a new terminal is getting launched. But yeah, system seems unlike my terrible experience with Cosmic. It seems great. For example, I had a rant regarding honest rant. It wasn't like I didn't lie about anything, trust me, and I could replicate every bug that I come across. But anyway, I will show you this one system. Basically, this is what happened yesterday. I thought that the stream and recording were fine.
In here, for example, I should be able to type GNOME or tweaks or.
But nope, it was like frozen, both the recording and the stream, although on my end they seem to be functioning correctly. The stream and the recording, when I finished, they were unusable, and that's why I made that video yesterday and put it on my YouTube channel. But anyway, hopefully this will not be the case today. And what can I say? Terrible experience, that Cosmic desktop. I don't wish it to my enemies or something. But yeah, this one seems good. As I said, snappy. Installed all the apps that I wanted to install, all the usual suspects. Did very light customizations that of course I will include to the guide when I will prepare that, just like I did with Void Linux and DeverOS, and of course MX Linux. So be on the lookout about that. And on the next couple of streams, one will be on YouTube live streaming, and the other will be on a Twitch streaming service. And this one, although on Kick service, I cheated. I'm using at the moment the hardware settings on OBS. Tomorrow I will stream using software specifications, software settings on Twitch or YouTube, and the day after that the same thing on Twitch or YouTube using software settings. Then on the third day I will use software settings again for the Kick service, because I want to make sure that everything is compatible and works fine with the system, because I want to make sure that whoever is using this system or a very similar one will get more or less the same experience like I do with this system. And of course I'm using at the moment the built-in microphone and camera, and the system has a few nice tricks. PikaOS, I mean. PikaOS, for those that don't know, this tool, like MX, is based on Debian, but has very good and on point customizations, especially those who are interested in gaming. And when you launch PikaOS for the first time, when you start the system up, it has these setup steps that you can follow that make things easier for you. And then it has recommended additions, and the very first ones that you can see is they are related to media codecs and libraries, PikaOS game utilities, and of course a few perhaps must-have apps. And then they also include the ability to choose a desktop layout. For example, I will have another experience from the one that I have now. Of course, I didn't try this at all. It has like traditional, as it says, 11, Unity, GNOME 2 and Pineapple. But anyway, this system, in my opinion, seems so far like one of the best candidates for new Linux users that don't want to hassle with the system too much, and they just want to game on, do some work and be done with it. To be honest, if I didn't want to customize the system, it was already pretty much perfect to start doing stuff. As I said on that application on PikaOS Welcome, for example, someone like myself who has to use Kdenlive, right away after this window will open, I will easily install Kdenlive. It has LibreOffice, which I also use now and then, Krita Painter, so and OBS of course. So literally most of these apps, it's like ready, set, go for me. So if I wasn't into heavily customizing the system, I will just go ahead and work with it. And as far as gaming goes, I just maybe I will play some Final Fantasy here and there, now and then, and even that I already pre-installed. I haven't configured, I haven't done anything. It's like on the software that comes with the system, basically the software center, the app store, so to speak. You can come here, search for the app that you wish, and I know already, and I have installed the app, which is XIV, this one, XIV launcher, and you're ready to play. I'm ready to play Final Fantasy 14. But yeah, all in all, unlike yesterday's experience with PikaOS using Cosmic Desktop, which was a terrible experience, like absolutely terrible experience, this one seems great so far. And after I will end the stream and I will check the recording, if everything will go as planned, then I'll be glad and eternal grateful for the people behind this good job. And yeah, I don't want to waste any more of your time. We have plenty of more videos and more streams with PikaOS 4. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!